Sania says, in Canada it's very cold, it's snowing, and I know last time I was in Montreal, it was minus 55. And when I looked from the window, didn't see the cars. All the cars were under the snow. Amazing. Several feet high, mashallah. So if I'm in this situation, I'm traveling and there is no place to offer the prayer like indoor, I have got to offer the prayer outside and it's all snow. I pray on the snow and I enjoy it, I love it. I do not necessarily ask everyone to do the same. If your health condition or if it is extremely cold beyond your affordability, then can I pray in my car? You can, number one, if you fear that the time of the prayer will be out before you reach your destination, you have the option of combining two prayers at the time of either one of them, either before you take off or whenever you arrive to your destination. You combine Dhuhr and Asr together and you combine Maghrib and Isha together. If that will give you ease, even if you're not traveling, if you're driving around in a nearby town. But if that would not help, and in any case it's already close to sunset, I gotta pray Asr, what am I gonna do? In this case you can pray in your vehicle. But as far as facing the Qiblah, that's very affordable because, hey, if you are in the parking lot of any gas station, shopping plaza, or on the highway, I can definitely swerve my car to be facing the Qiblah. So if it is accessible, I cannot skip that. Al-Qiyam, which is standing in the Fard namaz or prayer, is a pillar. But it will be waived if I cannot afford it. In sickness, flying, got stuck in the bus, fearing the time of the prayer will be out, snow in several feet, and I cannot pray on the snow, so I pray in my car, you pray sitting down. Of course, this is a concession. May Allah make it easy for all of us to observe our